Hi guys, this is organic chemistry and we are doing organic nomenclature. So the term nomenclature refers to the naming system and we have to name the different types of organic compounds. And this naming system has been given to us by an organization called the IUPAC, which stands for the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. These people have given us a universally accepted naming system. So let's go over the types of organic compounds. So the organic compounds that we have are divided into three categories. The first category is called aliphatic compounds. Now, aliphatic means straight chained or branched compounds. So the compounds that we have in this category are as follows. We have alkanes, we've got alkenes, we have got alkynes, we have got halogenoalkanes, we've got alcohols, we've got carboxylic acids, we've got esters, we've got amines, we've got amides, we have got amino acids, then we have carbonyl compounds. Now, carbonyl compounds are of two types. One of them is called aldehydes, and the other is called ketones. Then we have acyl chlorides. Next, we've got nitriles, and then we've got ethers. So all of these compounds will be dealt one by one, understanding how each of them will be named. So this was the first category of the compounds that we had. The second category is called aromatic compounds. Now, aromatic means that they contain the benzene ring. This structure is known as the benzene ring and it has a molecular formula of C6H6. Now, any compound that contains a benzene ring will be considered an aromatic compound. So, the compound that we are going to study will be classified under benzene and its derivatives. Other than that, we would have benzene and its derivatives. Then we would have phenol. Then we would have phenylamine as the basic compound that we're going to study. Other than these, there will be more compounds which would be studied under the heading of benzene and its derivatives. And the third category of compounds that we have is called the alicyclic compounds. Now, as the name suggests, these compounds will be in the form of a cycle. So, two types of compounds will be studied, which are cycloalkanes and cycloalkenes. Now, the name is similar to alkanes and alkenes because these compounds will have the same functional groups as alkanes and alkenes. Now, functional group is the group that gives property to an organic set of compounds. So, alkanes and cycloalkanes have the same functional group, but cycloalkanes, the term cyclo refers to the alkanes being in a cyclic structure. Similarly, alkenes and cycloalkenes will have the same functional group, but cycloalkenes will be structured in a cyclic form. So these are the compounds that we will go over in detail one by one.